आज विषय कितें आशिल्लो मेळपाचो?
विषय कितें आशिल्लो मेनली कितें आनी आतां बाकीचे सगळे जाग्यार पडत आयला लोकांक जेवणाचे हाचे, पण इंडस्ट्रीचे स्पेशल स्टाफ आसा पळय लायक सेक्युरिटी मागीर थोडे आयटम आसा तांकां पर्टिक्युलर टेम्परेचरार दवरचें पडटा, ते लिमिटेड स्टाफाक अलाव करपाचें प्रोसिजर आमी तेजे कडेन हें केल्लें. आनी दुसरें आमी वी आर गोइंग टू गिव हिम अ फंड फॉर कोवीड हेका. सो आतां पर्यंत अरावंड 2 crore एकठांय केल्ले. सो दॅट वी हॅव गिवन and we are also approaching other industry to support in this cause कशें हें करपाचें गव्हर्मेंटाक. सो इंडस्ट्री wholeheartedly is supporting this issue from the government आनी आमच्या सायडीन कितले कशें आमी हेल्प करूंक शकता ते करतले.
थँक्यू.
हे सगळे इंडस्ट्रीज ना तुमच्या
या इंडस्ट्री सपोर्ट गव्हर्मेंट इन एनी वे so that we don't get that crisis like other countries have got. So once we come out of that, we'll be talking about how the industries can be brought back into the position with the support of the government and all required people.
So how is it managed on the employees, laborers?
So right now we have to give them salary. See, we can't keep up with their salary. So in whatever way we can, we are trying to support. Many banks have like State Bank, Baroda Bank have come up with the additional fund for particular period, which can be used by the industries. So people anyway will be taking loan and paying off. But right now this is a situation we have to support.
Some of the worker also is out of Goa is there. So any plan on the other one place? Koi bhi dorpa kidi idea asa inka?
No, see, basically what you are talking about the worker from outside. See, workers have already in Goa. So whoever are outside or inside, finally they are the human being. We have to take care of them. So we also discussed about that, how the food supplies can be given to them. So CM said that all the superstores and all will be allowed to deliver the food. They have to just get the permission, but they won't be people should not go to the superstore, but they will be delivered at home. So wherever people are stuck up, they will be given the required supplies.